Okay, so this video is going to show you how to use digital library to find books for your AR level. So I'm going to show you the screen. So starting out here on our wonderful website, you go to your student links and then digital library. Okay, once you log in, you are going to go right here where it says levels. And the level you want is the ATOS level. This is like the same as your AR level, is this ATOS level. So you click on that. And then down here, underneath ATOS level, you got 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, all the way up to 12 to 13. So these are all of your AR levels. So if you're a War Admiral or a Whirlaway, you'd want to go to this 2.0 to 3.0 level. And you click on that. And it will show you all of the books that are at your level. So the other part that you need to make sure that you're aware of is that if you're looking for like a chapter book, you need it to be worth 1 point. So we all know that Dogmans are worth 1 point, but if you didn't know, the way you could check is going to this website, arbookfind.com. So it looks like this. So you go back to your overdrive. So you see right here, it tells you that's a 2.3 level for AR. But if you want to know if it's worth a 1 point for a chapter, you could copy the title and then paste it in search. And then you see right here, it also tells you that the book level is a 2.3 and the AR points is 1. So this would check off a 1 point. Okay. So again, you want to look for under levels, you could search by the ATOS level, which is the AR level. And then from here, you can, no, I just lost it. So if you click on this, then you can go to whatever level you want and see all of the books at that level. Okay, if you have any questions, if you forgot what your AR level was, or if you need your AR password, make sure that you comment on Google Classroom or send us a message on Dojo or an email, however you want to communicate with us, and then or jump onto one of our live trainings and we will help you. So we'll see you later.